Hey guys, you're at Show Me Tint. Guess what's happening? Lots of car stuff. We're doing lots of cars. We got, what, 2 Model Ys? Are they Model Ys going on? So we got this one up here. You can probably see it. And we're doing paint protection, ceramic coating, window tint. That's what we do every day. We did a rocker package on this and a front clip. We're doing some paint protection on this BMW. This BMW is actually super sick. It's for a buddy of mine. Full front clip and correction and everything. Super nice car. I drove it and he's like, super nice. It is super nice. It actually is super nice. I've never owned a BMW, but after studying this bad boy, I would definitely have one. But I jumped on here real quick to show you this video for Lynn at Pitbull Power Sports. You get to see your car yet? You get to see your new one? This is a Ceramic Pro 2-year coating on this is a Expedition High Country or something, or King Ranch. Yeah, I said High Country. Expedition King Ranch. Let me cut that out. I get them confused. It's basically the top of the line for this, and I didn't even know they made those. So it's got a 3-inch lift on it and 22s, 24s, man, yeah. And it looks good like that. It does set like a bigger Tahoe version, but it's sick. That's everything you need right there. Lynn has that local Pitbull Power Sports, and man, they're all over the place. They're super cool. Expedition King Ranch. Right there, look at that. That's like the only one I've ever seen. Sitting on 24s with a 3-inch lift. Super tough. Let me show you what else we got going on, guys. We'll go check it out. Yeah, let me show you what this is. This is, if you saw that van dripping wet, this is the truck. So I told you we had a few of these coming through. This is Quick Dry, our local guys. They have like, I said, dude, you got that trailer still to do? And he's like, no, you guys have got two or three more trucks to do and a trailer. And I'm like, man, we better get used to putting this on. It's almost done. Nick jammed this out. He's a maniac. He low-key, would rather do cool color change wraps, but you know what I mean. These are bread and butter. I think it's kind of cool the high digital print, the way this looks like water. I need to do a wrap on my truck. I just never can decide what to do. Time matters. Quick Dry. Super cool. It's gonna catch a lot's attention. The guy, the owner of this truck, dude, he's so hyped about getting it. Like, we did their van, and so it must have been somebody that knows them, because he was like, when are we gonna do mine? I'm ready, I'm next. I'm getting mine next. Like, he literally called me like 3 days in a row. He's like, is it my turn yet? I'm like, no, it's not your turn, you gotta wait. That's the fun part, making dreams happen. So this Model Y is in for something very special. This is kind of cool because this guy drove all the way from KC, shopped around. He's like, hey, listen, I want someone that's gonna be in this project with me. And he's super excited about it. We're wrapping the whole car in Dyno Prism. So that's like a clear film that's gonna add this big color flop into the actual color of the paint. So the paint's gonna show through, and we'll be able to, it'll have a big color shift in it. And I'm gonna show you that soon. It should be in the next couple hours, I hope. If not, it'll be in by tomorrow for sure. The full car in it, he said it's gonna look like a big peacock. That's what his word for word. He's like, I want it to be a big peacock. And I'm like, dude, I got you, 100%. We're excited to do it. It's gonna be fun. I've wrapped a bunch of these Teslas. Actually, I'm wrapping one right now. It should be relatively easy. Hopefully, unlike the Shelby that just totally beat me up, But the guy was super happy about that. He got it yesterday. He was so hyped. I loved it. It ended up working out really well. Yeah, I've never done Dyno Prism. I've never done it. So I'm super excited. I love doing new stuff. So I've always wanted someone to wrap their car in it. Just around here, not everybody wants to stand out. Andre, let's show the camera what we did earlier. Look at this. Ready? Okay. That's pretty fun. Yeah, it's a good time. We've been blowing each other around here. All right, let's go check it out. Oh, guys, I want to stop by right here. This is a Mustang RTR, RTR. Yeah, RTR. So apparently this thing is like super fast, crazy fast. The guy said he said it squats so hard it chips the paint back here. He's in love with this car. When he's trusted us with it, he dropped it off. We're doing a bunch of stuff. This thing is getting like the works. We're even gonna do a Starlight headliner. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. It's gonna be pretty exciting. He's gonna come yank that thing out. Well, I don't have the keys. Obviously it's locked. Thank God it's locked, I guess. We're wrapping the body, that antisocial color, that super rare color. There was only like so many rolls made. We bought a roll and we're gonna wrap it in that. We're gonna do probably the wheels powder coating. We're going to do a little paint protection on it. Starlight headliner, we got some seats we're replacing. We're gonna do some race seats in it. There's a laundry list. I'm talking fold the clothes. We got lots of stuff to do. So it'll be here for a minute. So you get a bunch of videos of that. And then the guys down here looks like they're doing a little bit of work today. It does look like a bomb dropped in here, like a tent bomb exploded. You guys doing any tent today or what? My guys in here working it out. We got some busy stuff happening today. You guys said you wanted it busy. Here it is. Busy all day. Well, you guys are killing it. Yep. Yep. Keep working hard, okay? I'm trying to buy a boat slip. I like to say I'm kidding, but I'm not. Definitely work harder because I need to pay for this boat slip. All right, guys. Well, we got you updated. We're just trying to stay after it today. It's a busy Monday. You know, I don't know how your job is on Mondays, but it's a lot like that here. You know, you got a bunch of cars and you're like, oh man, we got to do some tent removal in the background. That's Trey, that's never good on a Monday. Never a good time. Never a good time. No, we'll do it, but it's not a good time. So we appreciate you guys checking it out. We're going to keep jamming them out. Make sure you tune in to see that dyno prism, man. I'm hyped. Like, I'm like working to get my jobs done just so I can start that one. I'm hyped about it. I'll show you some cool videos of it. Make sure you chime in and tell me what you think, and we'll be glad to show you anything you want. If you want to check it out, check it out. Thank you.